Safety is proven without doubt on thousands and thousands of individuals, but scientific frameworks allow it.
Say regarding the phase 3 trial that is still...
It is still going on. Remember, even Pfizer, Moderna, all their phase 3 trials are still going on. But you look at the data and you find that benefits are overwhelming compared to, occasional risk. That is why the whole world has decided to move forward and take the benefit and ensuring, above all, what is needed in this stage. Are you safe with the vaccine or not? The safety is proven without doubt. Safety is proven without doubt on thousands and thousands of individuals. Please embrace. Immunogenicity is proven in thousands and thousands. That is why it is emergency use authorization. We should respect the scientific processes that have unfolded in extremely difficult and unusual circumstances. But scientific frameworks allow it, and you have seen that it will be taken to a logical conclusion. But today, 2 great vaccines are available. Whatever vaccine you are allotted, please take it with pride and happiness.
So I am feeling very proud and humble at this point because I have been vaccinated and I was considered in the first lot to be vaccinated. It is a great moment for our country because we have now started the world's largest vaccination program, and we are very confident that it will be a smooth program and we will be able to vaccinate a very large number of people. Therefore, I am very, very happy that this has started. It is the beginning of the end as far as the pandemic is concerned, and I really hope that as more and more people come forward when their turn comes, so that we are able to decrease our mortality and also break the chain of transmission. Till you have taken your doses and even afterwards, you have to have COVID appropriate behavior because you may still get a mild infection, you will not get a serious infection, and you may be infectious to other people who have not been vaccinated. So it's very important to do that.
And sir, just final thought, your thoughts on the rumors that people should, there were some rumors in our community. If you could just
Rumors regarding?
about the vaccination, the people should...
So I would just like to reassure everyone that the vaccine is safe, it is efficacious. We have to vaccinate a huge number of people, and therefore we cannot really start being very choosy. We must really have confidence in our researchers, in our scientists, in our regulatory authorities, and move ahead and vaccinate as many as we can.